Can you open for me?
How are you today?
I'm great, and yourself?
I'm very good.
Yeah.
I'm alive, you know?
I'm good. Subscribe to the channel. Like and share the video. Fokou Media, wherever you go.
President Cyril Ramaphosa has conceded that the country has limited revenue and that it's unable to fund every priority and ambition. Some ministers came out of the National Assembly saying one of the reasons why the cabinet differed on the budget speech was the increment of VAT. He says Minister of Finance Enoch Godongwana has a headache in finding the money.
Right now, we've got limited revenue limits. Our revenue, as it stands, is not able to fund every priority, every ambition that we have. So the Minister of Finance scrounges around to find money. So in the end, as South Africans, we therefore need to sit back and say, how are we going to get over the budget cuts? How are we going to continue funding all our priorities?
Given the challenges and priorities that we are facing, how do we fund them? Really, that's a debate. Do we borrow more? What are the implications of that? Do we continue cutting expenditure? What are the implications of that? Do we raise tax? What are the implications of that?
Guys, the economy of the country. Just imagine. Cut light. 30% product cut. Imagine load shedding. Are we broke in South Africa? Imagine 2% VAT increase. Guys, to be a president is not easy. To run the country is not easy. These men need our support. Fokou Media, c'est votre chaîne. Abonnez-vous à la chaîne, likez et partagez.